Hi everyone, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach here in Hearthside up in Petoskey, Michigan. Our first weekend. It's in the books.
It's in the books, and what a beautiful weekend it was. We had 2 gorgeous days of just sunshine in the upper 60s, 70 degrees, and we're going to give you a little bit of a view of kind of what's going on. Of course, it's kind of the beginning of the season, so a lot of construction going on, which is really exciting. A lot of people really improving their lots up here and doing some amazing things, so we'll show you some of that. You know, not everyone's up here yet.
How many coaches did we count?
Yeah, probably around 40 right now. I think there's a total of 150 coaches up here, but there's still time. If you've got time this summer, there's time. They have lots available. There are some spaces that you can rent. So go ahead and give Hearthside Grove a call and see if you can make a reservation to come up here. And then you can see us. We'll have coaches up here, possibly 2 to 3 coaches. We now have 3 lots up here, so we have lots of space for coaches, and we're right at the entrance, so you can't miss us when you come into Hearthside Grove. So look us up and come up here to see what paradise in Michigan looks like.
So this will be home for us this summer. We'll be on lot 6. So if you ever come into Hearthside Grove, please be sure to see if we're around. Look us up. We'd love to meet you. This is one of my favorite places to visit. We actually scooter here from Hearthside Grove. This is the fish hatchery. We're going to take a look, see what we can find. You see any fish? They're little.
Little ones.
Let's look in this one. And now we have found the big trout. No longer little baby trouts. This is the big boy pond. They are well fed. Just one of the many things to spend your beautiful Michigan afternoon exploring the fish hatchery